Your social media knows more about you than your closest friends, and strangers can see it too. Most people think only friends look at their posts. But scammers, stalkers, and hackers scroll profiles every day. And the scary part is, you're probably giving them useful information without realizing it. Cyber attacks don't always start with a genius hacker typing in a dark room. Many start with simple details you posted yourself. Your photos. Your birthday. Your location. Your school. Your workplace. To you, it's normal sharing. To someone else, it's a full profile of your life and routines. Let's start with vacation posts. You're at a hotel, restaurant, or beach and you tag your location in real time. That post tells the internet one thing: you are not home. Criminals look for easy chances, and real-time location sharing removes a layer of safety most people never think about. Posting after you leave is much safer. Now think about birthdays. Every year people celebrate you online, and it feels good. But your full birth date is also used for identity checks, bank security questions, and password recovery. When your name and birthday are public, it's easier for someone to pretend to be you. What about your school or workplace? Scammers use this to send fake emails or messages that look real. A message that seems to come from your company, your boss, or an old classmate is easier to trust. That's how people get tricked into clicking links or sharing codes. Public friend lists are another hidden risk. If strangers see who you interact with, they can create fake accounts pretending to be someone you know. When a message appears to come from a friend, your guard drops. That moment of trust is exactly what scammers want. Even your pet's name, favorite team, or hometown can be clues. These are common answers to security questions. When you share small personal facts over time, strangers can piece them together like a puzzle. Here's the truth: many cyber attacks start with information people willingly share. But you can reduce your risk today. Set your account to private. Turn off automatic location tagging. Hide your phone number and email. Limit who can see old posts. Review your friend list and remove people you don't really know. Remove extra personal details from your bio. Small changes make it harder for someone to build a profile about you. You don't have to leave social media to be safe. You just need to be more intentional. Privacy isn't about hiding. It's about control, controlling what strangers can learn about your life. And remember, even with private accounts, weak passwords can still put you at risk. Watch my video on using a password manager next. It's one of the smartest security upgrades you can make. Subscribe for simple cybersecurity tips that protect your real digital life, because staying safe online should be easy to understand and easy to do.